Welcome to our deep dive into the science of problem solving in maintenance and operations. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and in this video, we're going to explore the intriguing world of root cause analysis, or RCA. We'll reveal how it's not just about finding a scapegoat, but about identifying system deficiencies causing good people to make poor decisions. We'll walk you through the 5-step approach of RCA, discuss its common pitfalls, and even compare a few commonly used RCA tools. So, if you're looking to improve your operations and prevent recurring issues, stay tuned. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is RCA? It's a process designed to understand the root of actual or potential issues, far beyond just finding someone to blame. Yes, contrary to popular belief, it's not about pinning down a fall guy, but rather it's about uncovering the deficiencies within systems that cause good people to make bad decisions. Imagine RCA as a system, not just a task. It starts with identifying triggers. These could be anything from production losses to injuries. But why wait for disasters? Companies can proactively perform RCA by spotting significant risks early on. Once the triggers are identified, the RCA process follows a 5-step approach. First, preserve all the evidence. Whether reacting to an event or anticipating a potential issue, gathering detailed information is crucial. Second, order the analysis. Decide that an RCA is necessary, select your team, and set the guidelines. Third, analyze. This is where the heavy lifting happens. The team develops and verifies hypotheses using tools like logic trees. Fourth, communicate the findings and recommendations to all relevant stakeholders. Lastly, track the effectiveness of the implemented recommendations to ensure they're delivering the expected results. Now let's talk about a common pitfall, the Dunning-Kruger effect. This is where people overestimate their abilities, which can be dangerous, especially when handling complex systems like RCA. It's crucial to approach RCA with a healthy dose of knowledge and experience to avoid this trap. You might be familiar with some common RCA tools. Let's compare a few. The 5 whys technique, which involves asking why repeatedly until you reach the underlying cause. It's simple but might not capture complex issues. Fishbone diagrams or Ishikawa diagrams, which help categorize potential causes but don't directly show cause and effect relationships. And logic trees, which focus on how events occur, providing a deeper understanding of cause and effect. When a failure occurs, it often passes through several stages before becoming evident. These include cultural norms and system failures, decision-making by individuals, observable consequences, and finally, the undesirable outcome. Understanding these stages helps in pinpointing where things went wrong. Breaking down RCA, we focus on creating logically complete, evidence-based, and tightly coupled chains of causative factors. This means asking the right questions, presenting credible evidence, and understanding the interconnectedness of events. Let's consider a role-playing scenario. Imagine a critical pump failure. Rather than just stating the failure, provide context like the downtime caused. Then, identify potential failure modes, such as issues with the shaft, bearing, or motor. Now let's touch on component failures. These can be due to erosion, corrosion, fatigue, or overload. Understanding these can help you trace back to the root cause, whether it's a material issue or a design flaw. But when do we stop drilling down? It's crucial not to stop too soon. For instance, if a bearing fails due to misalignment, don't just chalk it up to human error. There might be deeper systemic issues, like inadequate training or unclear procedures. Lastly, let's differentiate between RCA and shallow cause analysis. Shallow analysis might stop at identifying the physical or human causes. In contrast, a thorough RCA digs deeper, exploring systemic issues that could lead to more sustainable solutions. In conclusion, RCA is an invaluable tool for not just solving problems but preventing them. By understanding and applying RCA effectively, organizations can significantly improve their operations and avoid the recurrence of issues. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at root cause analysis, a critical tool for any organization committed to continuous improvement and operational excellence. Thank you for watching. We've learned about the importance of root cause analysis, or RCA, and how it can significantly improve operations by identifying system deficiencies and preventing recurring issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and information, visit our website at upkeep.com. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep learning, keep growing, and let's keep improving together.